What's going on, guys? Michelle Abadi here, and I wanted to show you exactly what you're going to need to do if you purchase the Boxo USA OSM Modular Tool Storage System. So I'm putting this in my garage here at Spring Mountain, and I want to bring you guys along for the installation so you know what to expect. Obviously, the first step is to unpack everything and see what you've got going. We've already done that, and now we've got everything in place. So next is going to be putting up the pieces that hold it all together. So to do that, Boxo gives you this really nice assembly manual. It gives you colored pictures, shows you exactly how to put it together. And so we are right in the middle of this, and we've got everything into position. So next step is going to be putting in the uprights that hold everything together. We've already prepped the backside of the boxes with these, which is included the hardware. So now we're just going to pick up the uprights and slide them in. Just like that. And you can see the backside, how those go. And then obviously we'll tighten those down as we do those. So we've slid all the uprights on, and then next up we are going to tighten them with our 10mm. So we've got all the uprights on, as I said, slid onto the back end with the hardware that's included. You're gonna wanna do this with it in position, but pulled away from the wall so you can get to it. And then you will be tightening it down, and it is all 10mm hardware, so. So next up is the paneling. We are going to be putting up 9 pieces of paneling on our setup. These are really easy to do. You just hold them up and slide them on. There's no hardware with those. Eventually we will get the upper cabinets for this, but for now this is how we're going to be set up. So as you can see from the back side, the little hooks just line up, and then you pull it down and it's on. Now that we've got the paneling up, I found our shelves for the cabinets. So, looks like they come with some feet. And we've got 2 shelves so far that I found. So we're just gonna put 1 shelf in each unit, and then we'll go from there if we need to get more. And it looks like these literally just sit on the feet like any other kind of cabinet shelf. So, pretty easy. So far, all we've needed is a 10mm. to assemble this whole thing. There we go. So these ones are for the side cabinets that will be coming shortly. And then now we've got the proper shelf in the cabinet.
You go a certain way.
They go a certain way. All right, now that we got the shelves and the cabinets, we're gonna put on these front covers. These hide the feet, or I think if you have casters, you can use these too, but we don't have casters, we have feet because we don't plan on moving this at all. So just gonna put these on. You do need a screwdriver for these, and looks pretty easy to put on. Yep, so to put these on, you basically just line them up to the already installed nutsert there, and they give you the hardware. So with a screwdriver, obviously a Boxo screwdriver, you go ahead and screw those on. This gives it a really finished look, looks super nice, and also stops stuff from getting stored or hidden underneath where I would probably find or lose something. All right, next up is gonna be the stainless steel tabletop.
You got it?
Yeah. That's pretty heavy. I was told this is a very heavy duty surface and it's great for working on, because if you hammer on it or anything like that, it's not gonna, I don't know, get ruined. So I haven't seen it in person yet. So let's get this thing opened up. Okay, so we finally got it opened up, and this is just a protective film on here. So as you can see, it is a very nice stainless finish. Whoa. Boom, so let's get it on there. All right, now that we've got the top in position, all we need to do is fasten it. So you just use the 8mm that came with it and you screw it in from underneath. So that's it, super easy to install. If you don't have the tools yet, be sure to get the Boxo tools to match your kit and you'll be all set. Ta-da, here we go. So we've got this full setup now. I will be getting the tall cabinets for the sides. And we'll show that when we get it. But yeah, this was super, super simple to install. Like I said, you needed a 10mm, a screwdriver, and an 8mm. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Huge thanks to Boxo. This stuff is amazing quality. We've been partners for a long time, so we know what to expect. But I have yet to have one of these systems, and I'm super excited. So go to boxousa.com. Check out the OSM systems. You guys can get it, it's like modular, so you can make it fit the space that you have. And then of course you can save with my code GRR, G-R-R, and yeah, get hooked up. So tune in for the next one. I almost forgot the most satisfying part of this whole video, is taking off this protective film from the top. So let's do it. Oh, hold on. There we go. Ooh, looks so good. All right, guys, don't forget, use code GRR at boxousa.com and get yourself some awesome tools and tool storage solutions.